Good morning, first graders. We're going to do our grammar lesson today, but I have to show you who is joining us. It's OJ. OJ just has to be a part of our recording today. So that's a special treat. So I'm trying something a little different. Lynn's going to go do her work. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit the easel up here with OJ taking all the space she is. So I'm going to do my best to hold things up and give you guys the directions. So yesterday for grammar this week, we started talking about pronouns. And pronouns are words that replace nouns. Like instead of saying Miss Gillard, you could say she, her, hers, if you're showing possession, hers, or this is Lynn's doll I took away. Because she was playing with it when she shouldn't have. This is Lynn's doll. I could replace Lynn with this is her doll. Or this doll is hers. If Lynn were to walk in here right now and see me holding this, she would probably say, that's mine, or that's my doll. Mine and my are also pronouns, okay? OJ jumped down. I don't think I was giving her enough attention. So those were pronouns, okay? And they can be in plural form or singular form. And just like with our regular words, usually the plural form words have an S at the end, like her or hers, right? Okay, so today's pronoun for April 14th, it's only one page. That's all I have. And it's super easy. You're taking a look at it. You're going to read the sentences first. Okay, and then if the underlined word is a pronoun, you're going to color the happy face. If the underlined word is not a pronoun, color the sad face. Okay, I went to the store with them. With who? You could easily name names in this sentence. I went to the store with Lynn and Bob. But instead of saying Lynn and Bob, I'm saying them. So them, yes, it is a pronoun. So I'm going to color the happy face. Okay. Your dog is brown and white. That doesn't sound like a he or she, her, mine, my. No, dog is an animal. It's a thing. That's a noun. So that one is not a pronoun. So we're going to color the sad face. Okay. Kate likes to go to the movies. Now, if it's specific, that's not a pronoun. That's going to be a proper noun. It's a specific person, place, or thing. So Kate, that's a specific person. So that's not a pronoun. Like if I said, my cat is on the chair. Cat is a noun. It's an animal. It's a thing. But if I said OJ is on the chair, OJ is a specific cat. That makes sense? Okay. All right, let's do one more and then you guys should have the hang of this. He tripped on the rock. Well, that's a person, right? Maybe? Can animals be boys too? Yes. So we don't quite know. It's a pronoun. It's not specific. That one we're going to color the happy face. Okay. All right, so that's the first page. Then we're going to go to the other packet, the one that had the word search. We're doing 1 page per day. Finding information. There's a saying, don't judge a book by its cover. We're not judging anything by a cover, but we are going to pull information. If you go to the library and you want a book about cars, and you pick up a book from a shelf and it says, My New Puppy. Is that book going to be about cars? How could you figure that out? That's what we're talking about. Okay, so we're going to look at the title of the 3 books, book A, book B, book C. Decide which book you would use to find the information, okay? And write the letter on the little book. That's these, okay? So read the titles. Let's read the titles. A, Growing a Garden. B, All About Insects. Book C, Learning About Weather, okay? So, for example, the life cycle of a bee. Well, what is a bee? Yeah, it's an animal, but it's a bug or an insect, okay? So maybe that would be in Growing a Garden. Maybe, because bees are in gardens and flowers. Maybe about the weather because they often come out in spring, but we would be more likely to learn about it in a book all about insects, okay? So there's going to be one that has the best and the most information above the other one. So that's why they wrote a bee in that tiny little book, okay? All right, number 2, thunderstorms. That doesn't have much to do about growing a garden. Nope, it doesn't, OJ. She says nope. That probably doesn't have anything to do with insects either, but definitely weather. Okay. Number 3, different types of clouds. Well, we talked about clouds last year when we talked about the weather. We did our weather unit. So that's probably going to be in book C. Okay. Number 4, seasonal fruits. That might be in weather because fruit has to do with spring. What do you think, OJ? Oh, she's just giving me a look like you've got to be crazy. And some insects eat fruit. I put some oranges in with our butterflies. Growing a garden. That's probably going to have the most information about it. I'm going to put A right there. How to make an ant colony. I think all about insects. The life cycle of a plant. We've combined ours with some gardening books. Okay, and then one more on this column, and then you guys should have the idea how to get rid of the pesky garden snail. Well, snails are not insects, and they can be a big problem in a garden, preventing it from growing. So I think A would be the best answer for that. Okay, how does that sound? Okay, so those are your grammar pages for today. Something fun, a little different, and I hope you guys have a good time doing them. If you have any questions, then please have your grown-up reach out to me, and I am more than happy to help you guys. Okay? All right. Have a wonderful day.